This is the C14 to C15 Power Adapter. It features an IEC C14 connector on one side and an IEC C15 connector on the other side. The adapter is rated for 15 amps at 250 volts. The adapter will allow you to change a C13 cable into a C15 cable. The C14 to C15 Power Adapter is a quick and easy solution for your cabling projects. For more information on our products, please contact our customer service department at 888-519-9505. For all of your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.